Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're kicking off a project that is the dream of so many car enthusiasts around the world. It's a car that needs no introduction, a true legend of the JDM scene, the icon itself, the Nissan Skyline R34 GT-R. Now, this particular one has seen better days. It's got some battle scars, a bit of wear and tear, and it's definitely looking tired. But underneath all that, the soul of Godzilla is still there, just waiting to be unleashed again. Our mission is to take this incredible machine and bring it back to its former glory, maybe even better. This isn't just a cleanup, we're talking about a full, ground-up, nut and bolt restoration. It's going to be a long journey, full of challenges, but I promise you, the end result will be absolutely breathtaking. So, are you ready to see this legend reborn? Let's get started. The first step in any restoration of this scale is always the most daunting: complete disassembly. Every single part, from the biggest body panels to the tiniest screws, has to come off. It's a meticulous and almost surgical process. We have to be incredibly careful not to damage anything, especially the rare and hard-to-find components that make the R34 so special. As we pull off the bumpers, fenders, and doors, the car starts to look more like a skeleton of its former self. We're bagging and tagging every nut, bolt, and clip. Organization is key here. If we lose track of even one small piece, it could cause major headaches down the line. We're creating an inventory of everything, documenting where it all goes. This way, when it's time to put it all back together, it'll be like assembling a giant, high-performance puzzle. With the interior stripped out and the body panels removed, we can finally see the bare shell and get a true sense of the work that lies ahead. It's a huge undertaking, but this is where the real transformation begins. Now that the car is stripped down to its bare bones, we can start the heavy lifting. First up, the bodywork. We've uncovered some hidden rust in the usual spots: wheel arches, sills, and a few dents and dings that weren't obvious before. Our bodywork specialist is a true artist. He's carefully cutting out all the corroded metal and welding in fresh, new steel panels, making sure every line is perfect and every seam is factory spec. It's a slow, painstaking process, but getting the foundation right is crucial. While the body is being perfected, we turn our attention to the heart of the beast, the legendary R34 engine. We've pulled it from the bay and have it on a stand, ready for a complete tear-down. We're inspecting every single internal component, from the pistons and rods to the crankshaft and turbos. Everything is getting cleaned, measured, and checked against factory tolerances. We're replacing all the gaskets, seals, and bearings with high-quality new parts. We're not just rebuilding it, we're blueprinting it, ensuring it's stronger and more reliable than ever. This is about restoring performance and power, getting that twin-turbo straight-six ready to scream once again. With the bodywork complete and every surface smoothed to perfection, it's time for one of the most exciting stages: the paint. The car is rolled into the paint booth, and the transformation really starts to take shape. First, a layer of high-quality primer applied to seal the bare metal and provide a perfect base. After hours of careful sanding, it's time for the color. We're going with the iconic Bayside Blue, a color that is synonymous with the R34 GTR. Watching the layers of base coat go on is mesmerizing. The depth and metallic flakes start to pop under the booth lights. Finally, several coats of high-gloss clear are applied to protect the paint and give it that incredible, mirror-like shine. While the paint is curing, we shift our focus to reassembly. This is where all our careful organization pays off. We start with the refurbished subframes and suspension components. The freshly rebuilt R34 engine and transmission are carefully lowered back into the pristine engine bay. Then, we start on the interior, installing the sound deadening, new carpets, and the restored dashboard. Every wire is reconnected, every panel is aligned perfectly. It's a slow but incredibly satisfying process, watching this icon come back to life piece by piece. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. After months of hard work, countless hours of dedication, and an unwavering passion for perfection, it's finally done. Here it is, our fully restored Nissan Skyline R34 GT-R, back to its full glory. Just look at it, the Bayside Blue paint is flawless, gleaming under the lights. Every panel gap is perfect, every line is crisp. The freshly refinished wheels, wrapped in new tires, give it that aggressive stance it's famous for. And the interior, it looks and smells brand new. The seats have been retrimmed, the dashboard is perfect, and every single button and switch works just as it did when it left the factory. But the real magic happens when we turn the key. The RB26 fires up with a crisp, menacing growl, a sound that sends shivers down your spine. This isn't just a car anymore. It's a piece of automotive art, a rolling testament to Japanese engineering and a tribute to a golden era of performance. Taking it for its first drive is an emotional experience. The power, the handling, the sound, it's everything we dreamed it would be and more. This project was a true labor of love, and seeing the final result makes every single challenge worth it. This legend has been reborn. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what we're working on next. We'll see you in the next one.